Alright, so I am taking sections on the right side, basically vertical sections, and I'm using my fingers to establish the length. We're not going to go super short. In fact, we're going to leave the top a little bit longer. So I'm going to work my way on the right side around the back of the head, and then I will do the same thing on the left side. I'm simply just taking sections on the right side, over-directing them to the previous section so I know how short to cut each section. So you can see, as I take a section, I double check right there. When I take my scissors and push the hair away, it's me just looking for the previous section to know if I've got my guide where I think it is. And once I've confirmed the guide, then I know how short to cut the current section. So, I'm going to do the right side, then we'll do the left side. Alright, so now that we've done that on the right side, it is now time to do the same thing on the left side. Not a whole lot to explain here. I'm just going to take vertical sections, working my way on the left side from the front to the back. Alright, so now it is time to clean up the outline. You can see I've got my comb and my scissors, and I'm just going through and cleaning the hair around the ear. I'm going to work my way around the outline, and then we will continue on with the haircut. Alright, so now I'm just doing some scissor over comb in the back throughout the hairline just to soften up that outline. So you can see right there, I've just got the comb working my way up, scissor over comb, so that it blends in with the hair up above it. So by scissor over combing the outline and then continuing the scissor over comb as I work up, it just keeps a nice fluid shape versus a shape with a bunch of lines in it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can see we left the top longer. And if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in that comment section below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, thank you so much again for watching.